Your portfolio and resume prove you can do the work. This lesson makes recruiters and hiring managers find it and believe it. We will rewrite your LinkedIn profile for agentic roles, target the right job titles, mirror the language of real job descriptions, write outreach that gets replies, and prepare for interviews that probe agent design, evaluation, failure modes, and tool and MCP integration. And because agentic AI is a portfolio-led field with no dominant certification, your demonstrable projects are exactly what hiring managers weigh most. The goal is simple: convert a strong portfolio into interviews and offers. Start at the top. Your headline is the most searched field on LinkedIn, so name the role you want, your edge, and the key tools, something like AI engineer, LLM agents, LangGraph, and RAG, MCP, and evals. Your about should open with one positioning line, prove it with your projects in quantified language, signal your evaluation discipline, then name the target role. The featured section is your portfolio strip, so link the repos and demos there. And add the skills that match real agentic postings, pinning the most important ones, because skills drive recruiter search and the How You Match panel on applications. Do not hide your projects because they were self-directed. In a portfolio-led field, working agents are legitimate, demonstrable experience. List each one in the projects or experience section with the same structure as your resume: a one-line problem, the technology, and a quantified result, each linking to the repo and demo. Lead with the numbers, like 86% task success on a 40-case eval suite with P95 latency under 8 seconds. Then turn on Open to work with your target titles and locations so you appear in the recruiter pool immediately, with recruiters only visibility if you are currently employed. The same skills are posted under many labels, and the field's vocabulary is still settling, so search and set alerts for AI engineer, agentic AI engineer, LLM engineer, applied AI engineer, and machine learning engineer roles focused on agents. Read 10 real postings and note the recurring tools and phrases, because that vocabulary is what you mirror, truthfully, in your profile and resume. Both recruiter searches and applicant tracking systems rank you on keyword relevance, so using the job description's real terms for skills you actually have makes you findable. It is alignment, not invention, and you must defend every term in the technical screen. Applications alone are a low-yield channel. Warm outreach multiplies your odds. Keep messages short, specific, and respectful. To a recruiter, name the role, point to your projects, give a one-line fit statement, and make a small ask for a quick chat. To an engineer on the team, reference something real, a talk they gave or a tool the team uses, then a one-line ask for advice. Never send identical boilerplate to hundreds of people, because it reads as spam and burns your name. 10 specific messages beat 200 generic ones, every time. Know which conversation you are in. The recruiter screen is a fit and communication filter: why this role, your salary range, logistics, and whether you can explain your work clearly. The technical screen probes 4 themes. Agent design and orchestration: why a supervisor versus a pipeline, and why 2 to 4 agents. Evaluation: how you measure task success, tool call accuracy, and faithfulness. Failure modes and guardrails: how agents loop or hallucinate in the budgets and validation you built. And tool and MCP integration: how you exposed and validated tools. Answer everyone with an intent, design, trade-offs arc, and name the alternative you rejected. Momentum comes from a routine, not a one-time sprint. Each week, apply to 5 to 10 well-matched roles with tailored language, send 5 to 10 specific outreach messages, and publish or comment once on an agentic topic, like an eval result or a failure mode you fixed, to stay visible and signal expertise. Extend one project slightly so your featured section keeps improving. Track every application in a simple sheet so you follow up deliberately. The job search is a pipeline: keep it full and keep moving candidates through it, and the portfolio you built across this module becomes the offer you accept.